Question 5. Harry lives in Chester. He wanted to catch the ferry to Ireland, leaving Holyhead at 12:05 p.m. Passengers must board the ferry at least 30 minutes before sailing time. In planning his journey, he allowed himself 20 minutes to travel from the station at Holyhead to the ferry. He wanted to catch the latest possible train from Chester to be sure of arriving on board the ferry in time. Part of the train timetable he used is shown below. Harry caught the train he wanted and the train arrived at Holyhead station on time. The time to travel from the station to the ferry took a total of 25 minutes. Calculate the total time taken between Harry departing Chester and arriving at the ferry. Right, so it's important here that the ferry leaves at 12:05 p.m. He must board the ferry at least 30 minutes before sailing time. So his boarding time is 30 minutes before that. So 30 minutes, that's 12:05. 30 minutes is half an hour before. So his boarding time is 11:35 a.m. Right. He took 25 minutes to get from the station to the ferry. So he arrives or leaves, so he basically now wants to he needs 25 minutes to get from Holyhead, to leave the station to get there by 11:35 p.m. So 25 minutes means 11:10, so he needs to be in Holyhead by 11:10. This one would be too late, he'd miss the ferry. This one would mean he wouldn't have enough time to walk from Holyhead to the boarding. So he needs to catch this one here, arrives at 10:35, which means he leaves at 8:55 a.m. Calculate the total time between Harry departing from Chester and arriving at the ferry. Right, so let's have a little look at this one now. So he leaves Chester at 8:55 a.m. He arrives at 10:35. It then takes 25 minutes. So he gets to the ferry at 11 a.m. So the total time he takes is 8:55. 1 hour would be 9:55. 2 hours would be 10:55 plus the extra 5 minutes. So you're looking at the total time is 2 hours and 5 minutes.